Hello, Apple Valley High School Fab Lab students. It's Mr. Lee, and today I'm going to show you how to run the vinyl cutter. This is the GX24. It's will cut one color vinyl. So we're going to put some gold vinyl in here. And what I got to do is slide it in. And then what you have to notice is that there are some roller pins. This first one has to stay on this white line. The second pin can be either here or here or here, depending on the width of the vinyl that you're going to put in. What I'm going to do is set this up so that the vinyl is parallel to this line here, and then it covers this sensor. So there's a sensor right here that you need to cover. And then once I have that done, I can lock this rolling pin in place by moving the lever up. I'm going to turn it on with the power button. It takes just a second to load. And what I'm going to do is set the pressure that the cutting blade cuts at, and I'm also going to get the width of the vinyl that's in there. So if you can see where it says select sheet, I'm just going to hit the enter button to do that. And then the cutter actually measures between those two rolling pins to get the width. Next thing I'm going to do is set the force. So I push the force button, and this is set at about 90 for the pressure, which is good for our sticker vinyl. So I'm going to leave it the way it is. So I'm just going to hit menu, and that's ready to go now. So now I'm going to come over to the computer, and I'm going to open up a file to cut. And it's out of my 5th hour, and then stickers, and then I'm going to go down to this one. And you notice that if I use the scroll wheel to scroll in and out, it comes out and opens as the default setting for width. So we want to go in and get the setting for cutting. So I'm going to go to cutting setup under file, and then under properties I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to get from machine. It displays it in millimeters. You can do it in inches too. So the width of the vinyl that's in there is about 15 inches from roller to roller. I'm going to select OK again, and you notice how the width changed. Next thing I want to do is on the machine, this is the bottom left, so I'm going to kind of set it down to the corner. When I make vinyls, I usually try to make 2 of them, so I'm going to copy this and paste it because we want to, when you weed, sometimes you make a mistake. So that one's ready to cut. So now all I'm going to do is send it to the machine. So I'm going to go File, Cutting. And once I click OK, the machine will start to cut. So I come over here, and it's actually cutting out that image. It's pretty fast too. And I can tell by looking at what it's cutting, it looks like the pressure is pretty good, so I'm going to leave it like that. Once it's done, we'll remove it from the machine, and then we have to weed it. And when we weed a vinyl, what we're doing is taking off the vinyl that we don't want in our sticker. Almost done. It's done. So now what I can do is I can release this. Typically what we do if we had a whole roll of vinyl on this, we would actually cut it, and you'd put the cutter into here to cut the vinyl. But we don't need to do that today. We're just using a slice of vinyl. And that's it. I'll have another video to show you how to weed.